Hello viewers, welcome to Gardening is My Love. Today let me introduce to you Sindhoori. Sindhoori is quite common in India and its botanical name is Bixa orellana. Sindhoori is the Sanskrit name. It is called in English as Anetto or lipstick tree. It has many names in different Indian native languages. The Bengali people call it as Latkan, Hindi people also call it as Latkan, Sindhuriya, Gujarati people call it as Sindhuri, Marathi people call it as Kesari, Sendri, Tamil people call it as Japramaram, Kurungu Manjal, Telugu people call it as Japrachattu, Japara. Sindhuri can be described as a shrub or a small evergreen tree with a height of 2 to 6 meters. The bark of the shrub is brown, more or less smooth. Leaves are very attractive. The leaves are scaly on both the surfaces. The pink or white colored flowers of the Indian medicinal plant are borne in terminal panicles. Its capsules are red or green in color, having a length of 3.8 centimeters and a shape of ovoid. They are softly prickly and contain approximately 50 tigronous seeds with a red pulpy covering. The usual flowering season of the plant is between August and September in central India. The plant is native to tropical America and it has been cultivated and naturalized locally throughout tropical and subtropical India because of having the red dye that is obtained from the pulp surrounding the seeds. It's called as anetto. Sindhoor has a large number of medical properties and usages that are useful to the people. The pulp surrounding the seeds of the plant is widely used for medicinal purposes as a hemostatic, anti-dysenteric, diuretic, laxative, febrifuge and digestive. The doctors also prescribe it for treating epilepsy, kidney and some of the skin diseases. The Indian people apply the fresh pulp to burns for preventing blisters and scars. Apart from the pulp, the anetto of the plant is considered as an effective antidote to poisoning by bitter cassava or psychic nut. The seeds of these Indian medicinal plants are astringent, febrifuge, and people use them to treat gonorrhea, and the seed oil is also reportedly used to treat leprosy. The people in India use the decoction of the leaves as a gargle for sore throat, and they also give an infusion of the leaves in cases of jaundice and dysentery. The leaves of Sindhoori are popular febrifuge and are reported to possess anti-tumor properties as well. The poultice made from the leaves is applied to cuts and gashes as a scar preventive. Apart from that, the pounded leaves release gummy substance after being macerated in water. It is commonly diuretic and prescribed in cases of gonorrhea. While the twigs Sindhoori are used to treat liver disorders as an emollient, the root bark is reported to be antiperiodic and commonly used in treatment of fevers. So, Sindhoori plant has numerous uses for the people, and it is commonly used in every household of India. If you are using any Ayurvedic product, please take the help of Ayurvedic medicinal practitioner before using or consuming it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Your one like or one share will motivate me to come up with many more such videos. So, thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.